Hi guys, welcome to my little channel. So let's do first of all the Christmas tree lamp. First of all the Christmas tree model. This is the model. This is the Christmas tree. No, everybody knows Christmas tree. So this is the model. Now the Christmas tree from there. This is the base where we can stack it and make any kind of another one. Battery. This is the battery. Okay, this is the battery. Let's take out the switch. Yeah, take it out. Let's take out the switch. This one the LED light. Okay, this is an LED light. And this is the switch. Also take out. This is the push pins. This one the push pins. They are written. Okay, all things are taken. Now let's start it. Make the model. Take out the green model and push up the stars. Now we have to put up the stars. This is a star step, so this one we have to take it out. Let's take it out. Okay. This one is done. Let's take it out. This one is done. This one's done. So all stars done in here. All stars I have taken out. These are the stars. Let's put it aside. So this is what kind of extras look. We have to fold in here. Fold it. This one also fold. This part. Now we have to give the cellotape in here. Give it. Take it. Get it out. Let's put it aside. Now for the boards time. This is the board. Now boards in the boards. Let's put the things. First of all, the battery. I have already done. Then let's give the switch. Now the LED light. Then let's stuck it. Now let's look at the pins. We'll take out first one. Now this one plus with the other one. Let's put it. One more pin we need. This one we take and put it with the switch. Okay, done. Now the another one. Let's open this part too, then it will not be open. Now it's done. The board is done. Now we just put this Christmas tree. Then let's put it inside in here. Okay. Let's take some pins. The one, the another one. Okay. Let's take it. Close it in here. It's done. Now the other one. And this pin. Then let's give one time what kind of it's made. Yes, now let's see. This is the Christmas tree. Done. Nicely done. See. This means a Christmas tree lamp. This one. And this one also the monster. Okay. Monster and the tree. Christmas tree and monster. So, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe again. And thank you. Bye.